All right, we are recording.
Jay's first time flying at the new spot. Well, it's not new, but for him.
It's new for me.
New to you. Never flown here.
Gear up, flaps up.
This is perfect for this.
I know.
For this
and
plane.
It's gonna make it seem so much faster.
Yeah.
I bet you that setup in the F-16 would be killer.
You know, I don't know if it's all that good because the plane is, I don't know, it's more suited to a different fan. Gonna wait for her to go by before I get crazy.
I was about to say, you're not ripping it up like you used to.
No, I will.
No, after your first or second flight, then it just becomes so immune here.
No, I'm already good. It's just I don't want to scare people.
No, trust me. I've scared people more than you think.
So then I'll just chill and then I'll do a dive once she gets past.
Yeah.
It's windy up there.
Yeah,
Time
it's always
remaining,
bumpy.
3 minutes.
Even if it's like blowing like 3 miles an hour, it's bumpy. Because all these trees and buildings.
Yeah.
Alright, you can rip it up now, you're good.
I'm good here in a second.
Well, I can leave it. See how much faster that thing looks here?
Yeah.
It looks like it's freaking screaming.
Just because we're in such tight quarters.
If you're gonna go over the grass, be careful of the soccer nets.
Yep.
They'll get you fast. I'll learn the hard way.
Time remaining, 2 minutes. Gear down, landing flaps.
It's his first time here. He's just gonna do some practice approaches. Yeah, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it now.
Yeah.
Alright, Mike, I'll let you go. He's changing. You know that yellow cut thing that he put a like overpowered setup on?
Yeah.
He's changing it.
Already?
Yeah. Well, you can go further out. You have plenty of space.
Yeah, I'm just seeing I just want to see what it's gonna do. I'm good.
Gear
I'm
up,
actually okay. I don't even need to worry about it right now.
No, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
You've got plenty of battery left.
time remaining, 1 minute.
Yeah, I will.
This is like one of our best bets right now.
Yeah, there's Fort Funson too, but that's way the hell out there.
30 seconds.
Cold out there.
And it's a hike.
Yeah. I mean, my uncle flies gliders, so every time I'm with him, we'll go up there and he has like those little weasel things.
Oh, yeah. The wings.
Yeah, but like they took off receiver batteries, so it flies for hours.
Right.
I think I soared on Fort Funston Slope for like an hour and a half one time.
9,
Yeah, that's easily doable.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Coming in.
Yeah.
1. Time expired. Gear down.
Yeah, you gotta do it now. She's coming around the corner.
Yeah.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, you can go long. You'll be
I'm
fine.
going to.
Just watch that tree
Yeah.
out there.
I'm not that far out.
Yeah, it's closer than you think. When I first started flying, I heard that tree bit me. Oh yeah, you're good. You got plenty of space. Nice. Beautiful.
Flaps up.
I like this. This is cool.
Yeah, this is a fun spot. Once you get used to flying here, it's not crazy.
I could probably even fly something a little bigger out here, like my 22.
I've flown my Carbon ZT-28 out here. The one I want to fly here right now is my forecast.
Cool. Tell her hi.